All right, so an object starts accelerating from rest at a rate of 40 meters per second squared. How far does it travel during the first second? So, okay. So for this one, let's first draw a picture, right? So I don't know what the object is. I'm just gonna draw this. Okay. This is all the information that I have. It's accelerating in the positive direction at 40 meters per second. And we're got to figure something out, right, at 1 second. So we know that it starts from rest, so that means that the initial velocity is then 0 meters per second. We don't really know the final velocity, so we gotta think of an equation that we can use this information. Well, in your notes, if you looked, somewhere in your notes you have this, where x is equal to x naught plus the initial velocity times time plus 1/2 times the acceleration times time squared. Oh, by the way, if I'm starting here and I'm measuring the distance to the final position, this is x, and this is my initial position, x naught. We're going to let x naught equal 0 meters. And what we're trying to figure out is how far it goes in 1 second. So then x, which is what we're looking for, is equal to 0, because this is 0 meters, plus 0 times 1 plus 1/2 times the acceleration, 40 meters per second squared, times the time squared, which is 1 second squared. So then 1 squared, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 40 is 40. This is 0, goes away, this is 0, goes away. So what's 1/2 of 40? 20 meters. Now, a lot of kids would have guessed 40, and if you did and you got that wrong, remember it starts from 0. It's traveling, its final velocity, and this is a little trick, its final velocity at the end is 40 meters per second, because after 1 second, it's accelerated up to 40 meters per second. But this, I think, I'd have to double check that, but it seems about right.
Wait, so you don't know?
No, it's
Oh.
What do you mean I don't? Well, I can. Physics is counterintuitive, so that a lot of times when we make assumptions, you always have to verify the math. So I always want to. And the truth is, I don't know all these answers. I work them out. That's the real skill I'm trying to teach you guys, is how to work these out. Look at an equation, work it out, figure out